Hello, my name is Harold. This is TechonTech, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Brave browser in Windows 10. All right, now I assume if you're installing Brave, you may not. Well, let's just say you may not have another browser. So let's just start by using Microsoft Edge. Though this procedure is going to be pretty much the same whether you use Edge or Chrome or anything like that. Let's go ahead and open it up. We're going to close that. Let's go ahead and go to google.com. Let's go ahead and do a search for Brave browser download. And then let's scroll past these ad versions. If you click on the ad here, it charges them, which I don't particularly want to do. But I am going to go down here to number 3, which is download Brave. Now, the reason I'm doing a video on installing and setting up Brave, or at least installing Brave, is because my brother actually discovered this, and there are a lot of features and a lot of add-ins that are in Google Chrome that this just has by default. It has privacy features built in, it has ad blocking features built in, it has, ad privacy. It basically has a bunch of stuff that you have to add into Google Chrome. In this version of it, it's here by default. It also has some advanced cryptocurrency stuff, but I'm going to skip over that for the sake of time and just go ahead and just install it in its base format. So let's go ahead and left click on that. Let's download that. Give that a second to download. As usual, if you don't see it up there or it doesn't pop up, you can go down here to your file explorer. You can click on downloads and it will generally show up here right on the top of your downloads list, just in case you don't see it or you can't click on it over there. So I'm going to double left click on it to open it. I'm going to click yes here. Let's close Microsoft Edge there, and then we're going to let it do its download. This actually looks a lot like the Google Chrome installer, so some of you may recognize this, but we're going to just go ahead and let it do its thing, download and install, and I'll be back with you in just a second. All right, it looks like it's just about finished. I will also note that just a little bit of cheat for those of you who are wondering, not that I recommend this. Like, for instance, if you go to YouTube and stuff like that, you won't see the ads and stuff anymore because this blocks them. But not that I recommend that, but it does that everywhere, which just makes it really versatile. And you can do that with Google Chrome, install like an ad blocker or something like that. But this one has it already built in, which just makes it really, really easy. And I have to say, that's just incredible. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just, let's see. Most of the time, you'll set Brave as default. I'm going to go ahead and set it as a default, but this will just feed in so I can show you something else. But first, though, once it was done installing, it opened up a copy of Brave. As you can see, it created a link on the desktop. And if by any chance I screw up on, making my default browser, let's do a quick change for app and browser control here. So I just type in BRO because you only got to do part of it. And what you can do is you can go in here and you can set your default browser. Although, now that I think about it, I'm going to skip that for now and just get in and finish this up. Top right hand side here is the 3 lines. You can use that to look over your history, your bookmarks, your downloads, and stuff like that. Of course, you can go into settings and you can transfer in your stuff from other browsers. But that is basically the gist of the quick and easy install of Brave browser in Windows 10. And as I said, it's incredibly great. It's versatile. Let's see if I can show you something. It actually has a built-in feature. In fact, here is the ability right here to be able to import from your other browser if you want to, but I'm going to skip this and go straight to this. It actually also has the ability to do certain things to make it faster. Like, it actually has, I think what it's doing is it's using compression to be able to download stuff faster. So it uses less bandwidth. Of course, it blocks trackers and ads, so you've got some great privacy stuff. And additionally, as I said, it's got a great built-in ad blocker, which is just absolutely fantastic. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. I think this is a great browser. If you've never experienced ad blocking and stuff like that, maybe just install this and try it out just to see how it feels. You can get the same extensions on any other browser you want, but that is somewhere I would start if you're looking to do it. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, have a great rest of the day.